We don't just say that we will sell your home, we guarantee it in writing. In fact, we give you 6 seller satisfaction guarantees. Number 1, our communication guarantee. You will be well informed on the progress of the sale of your home with an update every week. Your phone calls will be returned by a qualified team member in 24 hours or less. Number 2, our honest promises guarantee. We're not going to wildly promise you the moon and stars to get your business. We will tell you what we can and will do, exactly how we operate, as well as what we will not do in upfront and clear language. Number 3, our reality-based selling price range. We get you top dollar. Our track record and statistics prove it. We don't play the bait and switch game of promising to get you a wholly unrealistic price just to get your listing, then wear you down with low-ball offers. Unfortunately, this does go on in the real estate business. Number 4, our reality-based timetable guarantee. We implement a complete marketing program to sell your home. You know in advance what will occur step by step. In many cases, we sell your home faster. Number 5, our honest presentation of experience and track record guarantee. Everything stated about us throughout this message is summarized in our facts brochure. This is an accurate, factual representation, fully supported by documentation and provided on request. Number 6, the qualified buyer's guarantee. Our marketing systems and consumer programs automatically sift and sort out the best qualified prospects for your home. We won't ask you to leave your home and allow it to be shown to just any buyer unless they have been pre-qualified financially to buy your home and are genuinely interested in your home's features. These 6 seller satisfaction guarantees ensure that your home will sell for top dollar in your time frame and with less hassle. So, if you're serious about getting the most amount of money from your home sale, put our home selling team to work for you. Contact us today and start packing.